Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can see comment history on Snapchat. So all you need to do is first of all open your Snapchat, make sure that you're logged into your account, and then from here you can tap on your profile icon right here. After doing that, tap on settings right here. So after doing that, here you need to scroll down until you find the option of my data. So right here you can see the option of my data, tap on it. And then from here you will get a lot of different options. So you need to remember that you can only comment on the spotlight. So we only need the spotlight data, right? So if you scroll down here, you can get the option of spotlight. You need to tap on this toggle button and enable it. So after doing that here, scroll down and then tap on next. After doing that here, you can now set the time. So if you want the data of yesterday, you can tap on it. And if you want to see the comment that you have done with the last 2 years, you can do that. Or if you want to see all of the comment history that you have ever done, you can tap on all time. And after doing that here, you need to confirm your email because you'll be getting all of the data through your email. So you need to remember that you have entered the correct mail address. So after doing that, you can simply tap on submit just like this. And here you can see Snapchat is creating a copy file. So it might take a few hours or probably a few days. So after those completion, you'll be getting a mail on your mailbox. And like that, you'll be able to view all of the history of comments that you have ever done on your Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.